Hello everyone, welcome from Ecovision Academy. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how we can estimate a constant linear regression in stata by imposing constant returns to scale in a production function. We are working with a log-log Cobb-Douglas production function where all variables are already in the logarithmic form. Our model is log output equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 log labor plus beta 2 log capital. According to the theory, production theory, constant returns to scale means if labor and capital are increased by the same proportion, output increases by the same proportion. Mathematically, it implies beta 1 plus beta 2 equals to 1. Instead of testing this condition in this video, we will directly impose it. Okay, so now we have opened the stata first and we have pasted our data, and after that in the stata command box we will just write for the constant using the constraint define command. We just write constraint define, and after that we just write one constraint define. This is, I define the CRS restriction. I first define the CRS, constant returns to scale restriction. Constraint define one and then give a underscore b and in a third bracket like labor and give a plus sign, and then again underscore b and in a third bracket write capital, in a third bracket write capital, and after that closing the third bracket just put an equal and it should be equals to 1. That is our beta 1 and beta 2. The two coefficients of labor and capital respectively is, after summing them up, it will be equals to 1. That implies our constant returns to scale. I have written the things in capital letter, so stata will not recognize in capital letter, so I have to just cut it and I have to write in small letters. So what I am just doing, I have to write in small letters and just pressing an enter, the result will appear. Okay, after the result will appear, that is our constant is being defined. Now we will go for a constant regression. Then I estimate the constant regression using CNS reg. This is our command, CNS reg, constant regression. Then I will give the three variables: output, our dependent variable; labor, our independent variable; capital, our second independent or explanatory variable. Then we just put a comma and give the constant 1, since our constant is 1, and then stata confirms the restriction by displaying labor plus capital equals to 1. You can see in the screen, stata confirms the restriction by displaying labor plus capital equals to 1. So our result interpretation from the output, the coefficient of labor is approximately 0.22 and the coefficient of capital is approximately 0.78. Importantly, these two coefficients add up exactly to 1 because the constant is being imposed. Both coefficients are statistically significant, and this tells us labor capital intensive production structure under constant returns to scale. So to summarize, constant regression imposes economic theory, constant returns to scale is enforced by the construction, the estimated coefficient strictly satisfies the CRS condition. In the next video we will just go for the NF test. Okay.